I am talking about something different about Goldman Sachs Group stocks. These stocks trade at this moment $1,000. These stocks give today's return 0.5% return. In the last 5 days, these stocks make 1.5%. In the last 1 month, these stocks gain only 1%. In the last 6 months, these stocks gain approximately 10% return. Here you can see in the last 1 year, these stocks gain approximately 13%. And if you see last 1 year, these stocks gain approximately 43%, and in the last 5 years, these stocks gain 150% return. So what do you think about these stocks? Please comment below. And most important thing, I am not telling you to buy or sell these stocks. I just break down the numbers so you can decide smarter. In the maximum return, if you see 1,200%, that means if you invest in these stocks from starting $1,000, your money will become $12,000. That means you gain 12x return your money. These stocks are listed from 1999. So what do you think about these stocks? Please comment below, and always do your own research before investing. Follow for more stocks breakdown.